In this video, we will learn about non-contact forces. Right now, see, it is not always necessary that there would be a contact between the object and the source of force to act on an object. Okay, there are many forces around us which act on an object even without touching them, like magnetic, gravitational, and electrostatic force. Now let's take them one by one. First of all, magnetic forces. See, it is the force of attraction or repulsion exerted by a magnet on another magnet, or a force of attraction acting on an iron object due to a magnet is called a magnetic force. Okay, like if I place another magnet over here with south and north like this, then they are going to attract each other. Okay, now also repulsion will be faced when I'll place a north and a south over here, so they'll repel each other. Okay, now magnetic forces act even without any contact between the two magnets or between a magnet and an iron object. See, if I place an iron object like an iron slab over here, the magnet will attract it towards itself. Nowadays, you might have seen this particular phenomenon used to charge your smartwatches as well. Okay, now gravitational forces. Gravitational force. Let's assume that you might have thrown a ball upward while playing. The ball thrown upward after some times comes back, right? So, do you know why? It is because the earth pulls the thing towards it with a force called gravitational force, or in small we call it gravity. See, it is a natural force of attraction between any two bodies of any mass in this universe. This force is negligibly small for objects that are far away and of ordinary masses, and hence shows no visible effect. See, this line particularly means that you might be attracting your friend as well with this particular force, but this force of attraction is so negligible that it is not visible. But each and every object, reaching from a small sand particle to a big planet, attracts each other with this kind of force, which is the gravitational force. Okay, now but for very heavy objects like planets, the sun, moon, big asteroids, the magnitude of gravitational force becomes significant and shows visible effect. Also, Earth pulls heavier object with greater force as compared to lighter object. Thus, the weight is the measure of Earth's gravitational force acting on an object. Okay? Electrostatic force. See, you might have done an experiment while playing with your friends that you run a plastic scale over your dry hair and bring it near to a bits of paper. It attracts them because the plastic scale got charged. So, the force of attraction or repulsion caused due to the charged objects is called electrostatic force. The study of charged object and their behavior is called electrostatics, and fortunately, this is your first chapter in class 12th physics. Okay, so you will know more about electrostatics in that particular chapter. You might have noticed that when your mother empties a poly bag of pulses into a container, some pulses grain get stuck to the polythene and do not fall in the container. In the evening, you can see this example today itself. And this is because when the grains slip out of the poly bag, they get rubbed and charged. Okay. Both the grains and polythene are stuck together due to attraction between the opposite charges. It can happen that your pulses get positively charged or the polythene bag get negatively charged. So they'll attract each other, or vice versa is also true. Now, if you stand near the screen of a working television with synthetic clothes, the clothes are attracted by the television screen. This is because a working television screen is negatively charged, and the negative charge of the screen attracts the neutral clothes towards it. Objects having no charge on them are called neutral objects, and a charged object is either negatively or positively charged, attracts other neutral object. So this is a very, very, very important line, and this is the example for this line. Okay. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.